Hello, this is Pete Puccio III. I'm going to talk to you today about adding a new partner on International Electronic Business EDI software as a service. So here I'm showing a partner, our tracking page. Here's an order. This is an EDIFACT partner, order response. This is a dispatch advice, short for the way you say ship notice in Europe. EDIFACT is primarily used in Europe, and invoice. So the order comes in, it's EDIFACT data. So here's the EDI, and here's the purchase order number, 6732454 retail or something, whatever that is. We're ordering chips and Coors and chips and dips. And our process uses the canonical model. We convert that to simple XML. So here's simple XML, the envelope information at top, header information, buyer, seller, PO number, PO date, buyer part number, UPC code, quantity, all this. That's our simple canonical model, which is just a simple XML. Their output is an orders IDOC. This is an SAP shop. Here's that PO number in Bellner, where you expect it. And somewhere down here, you got chips and dips, and there it is. So that's how we do it. We bring in the EDI, we convert it to a canonical, and then we make the output. So here is a partner, Nob Hill, ordering stuff from this food supply. We're going to add a new partner. The way you add a new partner with IEB is you ask the partner to send a test order. So I'm going to mimic that right now. And then I'll click refresh, and we have a brand new partner, a brand new order. It's an 850. So this one's X12. We can look at that EDI data. Here you have an EDI purchase order. This is tissue and white towels and whatever. And the purchase order here is 505-7700, 300-251. So there's an X12 order. And if we look at the simple XML, it has much more in the header. It depends what we pull out what the partner sends. So if they send more, we'll pull out more. But you can see the tags names are the same: PO number, PO date, buyer ID, buyer part number, UPC code, quantity, and you can see 300. What was it? 300, 250, and 150. So this is the order. You can look at the output. It's also an SAP IDOC. Okay, so we have an SAP IDOC. Here's the 505-770. So the purchase order. So we don't want to just add the order. Since this came in and the pattern keys were created automatically, and the canonical automatically converted it to IDOC, simple XML, or IDOC for their SAP system. So this is going to come in and automatically book with you. You don't have to do anything. So we want to do the return transactions, the order to cash return transaction. So we have this, set up the capability to simulate these return transactions immediately based off the order that came in. So we created an order response, ship notice, and an invoice. There they are. So here's the order response, 855, same product code. This is a real simple summary version. 856. This is going to be a hierarchy. So you have shipment, you have the carrier, the ship date and ship time. Then you have order, you have the PO number and the bill of lading number and who everybody is. And then you have items. This is simple, ship order item. You can have ship order item pack. You can have pick, pack, and ship, or standard pack. Or you can have 7 versions of default ASN for which kind of partner you need to load. There's a lot of options available with pattern keys in this new system. So there you have it. We've added a new partner on 4 transactions, and it didn't take very long. Let's say the partner gets this 856 and he says, oh, no, wait a second. We don't want DP for delivery party. We want ship to. So many people use ship to everywhere, but in the ASN, they use DP. Let's look at this. So we just go to pattern adjustment. We find the DP, right click, update, and we just delete DP and type ST. And from now on, That pattern adjustment only affects this client, this partner. That's not everybody. You have a pattern key for every partner transaction. So we just changed this one. Let me reprocess it and show you the ST. So that's how you adjust pattern keys. It's that simple. You've added a new partner on order to cash. Now, quickly, let me just say, what is IEB charge for adding a new partner on 4 transactions? If it's the second one through whatever, it's N. Only the first one, we have a setup fee where we have to integrate our system with your backend applications. After that, it's no charge for adding a new partner. You can do it automatically, almost in seconds, just by yourself. How do we do this? There's going to be more tour videos on our data flow and failure point structure and how we process files, and our return transactions, where we go into depth on how to return transactions. Thank you very much.